Hi there, and welcome to your video tutorial on how to use Aurasma using a mobile device. This video will highlight the 4 steps you need to complete in order to create an aura. It will also provide you with helpful tips in order to make this project as easy as possible. Don't forget that if you have any questions, you can always ask your teacher. Step 1. Create your target image. In order to create your target image, you need to first determine what type of visual you would like to link your video to. When creating this, please remember to keep authenticity and creativity in your mind. In order to create an effective target image, please remember these 3 tips. First, use white paper for your image. Using dark or bright-colored construction paper can make it difficult to attach your aura. Second, have a unique element to your image. Do not just rely on cardstock or computer-generated images. Add your own personal touch. Third, avoid using pencil or light shading. Markers definitely work best. If you do want to use pencil crayons or shade lightly, please make sure that you still have some form of dark marker somewhere on your image. Step 2. Record your speech. When recording your speech, be sure to speak at a pace that is clear to understand and make sure that you articulate your words. Take your time in completing this step and don't be afraid to try more than once. In order to achieve success in creating a great video, please remember these 3 tips. First, make sure you rehearse your speech. Practice makes perfect. Second, work with a partner. This way, someone else can hold the video camera while you're talking. Third, complete the video in one take. You do not have the time to go to the computer lab, upload your video, and make revisions using iMovie. Just remember that it is okay to record more than once, so take as many tries as you need until you are happy with your final product. Step 3. Create your aura. After launching and loading the app, please click on the little person in the bottom right-hand corner. This will take you to the login screen. If you do not see the exact screen, make sure that the little button is toggled to existing account. In the fields identified on your screen, please enter either your school or personal username and password. After you have entered in the credentials, please click on the Login button. Next, you need to add your video, which is in the camera roll, to the Aurasma account. To do this, click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. From here, you need to choose Device. Then, click on the plus button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. A prompt will appear to ask you where you would like to add from. You are going to choose Photo Album. From here, click on Videos to find your video. Once you click on your video, it will load. If it is correct, tap the Use button on the top right-hand corner. Your video will then compress. Please be patient as this may take a while. Label your file with your first and last name as well as your class and subject area. Then click on the Finish button. You have now successfully added your video to the school account. You might want to stop here to see just how much class time is left. If you are ready to proceed, we are now ready to create our aura. Please make sure you have your target image with you. Find your video in the school account and touch on it. It should appear in a window on the bottom third of the screen. If this is the correct video, click on Select. From here, the device's camera will activate. You will need to hover over your target image to get it into the frame. Once you have it in the correct spot, tap the Location tab at the bottom left-hand corner. This is important. Do not forget to do this. Then Check to see that the bar is either green or yellow. Green is what we want. If it is not green or yellow, continue adjusting the screen until it moves off of the red. Once this is done, tap on the camera icon in the bottom right corner. From here, your video should appear on the screen. By using your fingers, you can make the video bigger or smaller, you can move it around the screen, or you can rotate its direction. You are now ready to label your aura. Please label it with your first and last name, your class, and your homeroom. Then, please click on the Public tab. From here, you want to move the slider to add to a channel to yes. You then want to double-click on the correct channel you wish to use, and then click Finish. You have now successfully uploaded your aura. However, please wait for the notification box at the bottom center of the screen to tell you that your aura is now ready to be viewed on the channel. In order to help you create the best possible aura with the least amount of difficulty, here are 3 tips for you. First, upload your aura close to a Wi-Fi router. Hint, take a look on the ceiling for these. Second, be sure to add that location tag. If you don't do this, you will not be able to find it on the selected channel. Third, be patient. While your video is uploading to Aurasma, it may take a few minutes. The longer your video is, the longer it will take to upload. We are now ready to do our final step. Step 4, test your aura. From the home screen in Aurasma, type on the Aurasma icon. From here, click on the scanner symbol in the bottom menu bar. Then, hover over top of your target image. Your video should be displayed. If you see the purple swirls, that means your video is loading. Again, be patient. The larger your video is, the longer it will take to load. If you run into any problems, please go and ask your teacher. Good luck and have fun.